EMO is officially owned by SESIMO, the European Association of the Machine Tool Industries. When the fair is held in Hannover, it is organized by VDW, the German Machine Tool Builders Association. When it shifts to Milan, it is organized by UCAM Sistemi per Producer, the Italian Machine Tool Builders Association. This alternating model has given EMO both continuity and diversity, making it the definitive global platform for manufacturing innovation.
With respect to EMO, we've been participating since the year 2004. It was a huge success when we first exhibited at EMO 2004. We also participated in EMO events which happened in Milan. Nowadays, it happens more often in Hannover. It's a very interesting show, a must-attend show for most of the machine tool enthusiasts. We've been participating with our product ranges of 4th and 5th axis rotary indexing tables and our Nimble Electric torque motors as well.
Founded in 1985 by technocrat Indradev Babu, UCAM Private Limited began its journey in Bengaluru with a clear mission to deliver world-class CNC rotary table technology to Indian manufacturers. From its earliest days, UCAM focused on reducing the industry's dependence on imported systems by creating rotary and index tables designed for precision, reliability, and performance. The launch of its first rotary table in 1992 was a milestone that laid the foundation for decades of innovation. By the early 2000s, UCAM was gaining international recognition. In 2001, the company achieved ISO 9001 certification.
Since then, in the year 2000, we exported our first rotary indexing table, and in 2010, we expanded our product range to 5th axis rotary tables as well.
The following decade marked rapid diversification. Nimble Electric was launched in 2013 to provide high-performance torque motors, and by 2015, UCAM had established a second unit at Doberspet and introduced Nimble machines to address gear-hobbing solutions. For EMO Hannover 2025, UCAM carries forward not just its innovations, but the story of Indian precision engineering making an impact on the global stage.